afternoon to one and all present here. I am Nityanandam Palanisamy, doing PhD in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering at this university under the guidance of Professor Dr. Luigi Rovati. My research topic is innovative sensors for biomedical and industrial applications. Overview. My presentation covers the research activities carried out by me during last year. One is on ocular fundus reflectometry and second is laser Doppler fluorometry. Now I am going to explain about ocular fundus reflectometry. Ocular fundus reflectometry is a technique aimed at in vivo measurement of the tissues of the ocular fundus. Various studies performed on these tissues gives us their existence of a correlation between optical and physiological properties. We developed an instrument able to capture the functional imaging of the neural tissues of the ocular fundus to study the neurovascular coupling to determine the reflectance of the tissues. Instrumentation. The newly developed instrument is based on modified fundus camera. The standard illumination was removed and replaced by a near infrared LED L1 and a new green LED L2 is also introduced in the system to flicker the fundus illumination. The light from the green LED was diffused by a diffuser and allowed to same optical path of the LED L1. The reflected film from the fundus of the eye was focused on a CCD video camera through a filter F, which can transmit only the near infrared light. The LEDs L1 and L2 and the image acquisition can be controlled by a personal computer through a USB port with the help of a software developed in Visual Basic. We developed a fully automatic registration algorithm based on differential multi-scale framework to compensate the unavoidable eye motions occurred during the measurement process to work out the reflectant time courses. This algorithm also able to transform the images geometrically close similarity. The images occurred with the help of a standard CCD video camera through a frame grabber. The images are occurred at a rate of 25 frames per second. The occurred image contains both the well-focused and flawed images. Before aligning the images, the flawed images are removed with the help of a software developed in MATLAB. After removal of the flawed images, we construct a 10-level Gaussian pyramid for the source and target image. After initial assumption of the translation parameter, at each level, we estimate the translation shift between the source and target image. Based on the translation shift, the source image is warped into align with the target image. This process is repeated at each level. This fully automatic registration algorithm was written in MATLAB. The experimental results shows that this algorithm having better performance compared to the previously exploited algorithm in terms of the overall computational time was approximately 5 seconds per image and all the calculations are performed within 2 iterations at each level and alignment precision can be improved up to 12%. There is a possibility of multiple sources images can be registered with a single target image. We have performed a detailed study on laser Doppler fluorometry during last year. We found that this technique is most suitable for blood flow measurement in optical nerve head, subfoveal region and iris of the eye. We are planned to perform more experimental activities on laser Doppler fluorometry during this year. The conclusion, the experimental activities demonstrated on differential multi-scale framework based algorithm shows that this has significant advantages in terms of alignment accuracy and computation speed. This algorithm is also able to estimate the translation shift between the images, and this algorithm is able to perform the discarding of the flawed image at a faster rate. Previously, we are exploiting a manual algorithm that will take 10 to 12 hours of time to eliminate the bad images of 4,000 database in a 4,000. Now it can reduce up to 40 minutes time. We are already submitted a paper on image processing algorithm for ocular fundus reflectometry to speed proceedings, currently which is in press. These are the conferences I have attended during last year. Thank you for your kind attention. Thank you very much.